What is going on at Grumbles Homestead? I bet you want to know because it's a lot. There's a lot happening and I'm about to tell you what. You keep watching. First off, we're going to tell you that soon planting season around here is only about a week away. The official planting season. So what I got is I'm going to put in a garden. I've got this area where I can put in a nice big garden. I've got a set of rakes here. I'm going to show you in a second there. I got a set of rakes here, but I'm going to take the rest of the grass out that's here. And this whole area I'm going to make a nice big garden. Because, you know, food's expensive and it's only getting worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. So as we wander over this way, there's the stepdaughter in the better half's trailer. They're trying to get Paulo to load up and he's doing a great job, by the way. But here we are, we're walking up onto old Mystery and Devon. You know, there's a lot of green grass. I don't know if you can see all this green grass. I'm sure you can. There's tons of nice long green grass on the end of this, on the other side of this fence, let's put it that way. And since I've worked on that fence, well, they're ticked. Are you guys upset? Mystery, are you upset? I think Mystery's a little upset, aren't you? Aren't you, Mystery? She's a good girl, though. It's not your fault you went through fences. You just couldn't feel them. So, yeah. The fence is good. I still got lots I got to go around and do. So, another little recap is, well, for that garden, we're going to take some of that poop. We're going to dump it over. I did do a load already, and I kind of raked it over, but I need to till it up. I need to actually hook a till on a tractor and till it up. We're going to walk through the barn here, go the other side. Kind of a mess right now, hasn't been raked out. Usually there was a big thunderstorm. There was so the horses were in the other day, and yeah, so we had a lot of stuff we had to clean out. And look at this, of course, there's escapee chickens. Escapee chickens out here. Escape chicken, can you please, thank you? Oh my goodness. How come none of you chickens do that? None of you chickens do that. So with the coop, the update, I got to finish the cleanup, which is coming on here in a day. Well, I got a surprise I'm going to tell you about just when I'm done the cleanup. You might notice while I'm doing the cleanup, but you won't notice till you watch the end of that video what the big surprise is. And that's it for the coop. As far as Paulo and old Theodore, aka Teddy, I don't know he does have he's a purebred, right? So he does have a registered name. I just don't know it off the top of my head. But look at that. Gotta like it. The fence is fixed. And they aren't running by it, right? See? I always said, oh, you're a fence buster. He's not a fence buster. No. Not when you can't feel the fence, right? Well, he can feel the fence now. And that's the whole point. So far, that's a little update. We're going to, I'm going to continue on with a couple jobs in the coop I got the garden to do. There's going to be follow-ups to those videos as well. So I got lots of content if you want to sit around and watch. I've got lots of video. If you want to join me, please do. Tell all your friends. And you never know. You could become one of the Grumbles gang. Isn't that right, Paulo and Teddy? That's right. They all agree.